Sitting in a small basket boat, we begin the journey into Bảy Mẫu coconut forest, often called the Little Mekong Delta of Hoi An. The boat gently glides through rows of lush green coconut palms, their reflections shimmering on the water, creating a scene so poetic that it feels like stepping into another world, tranquil yet full of mysteries. As we drift deeper, a rare silence surrounds us. Only the gentle splash of water against the boat and the cheerful chirping of birds above. But this journey is more than just peace. Soon, you'll witness the famous basket boat dance. Local fishermen spin their boats in circles, creating spectacular swirls on the water, thrilling, daring, and absolutely unforgettable. The crowd cheers and claps, while participants feel both scared and excited at the same time. The lively net casting performance, a vivid reminder of traditional fishing life. Each cast of the net is strong and precise, yet also artistic, as the sun glitters on the water, making the scene truly mesmerizing. Then, traditional folk songs fill the air, the soulful melodies of Khoan echoing across the river, carrying with them the spirit of Quang Nam. Visitors may also hear stories about the forest's history, once a revolutionary base during wartime, a place that sheltered and protected generations of heroes. And finally, the journey ends with joyful karaoke right on the river, where everyone sings together, laughing and sharing happiness. This short trip offers a wide range of emotions: serenity, excitement, pride, and connection. Bảy Mẫu Coconut Forest is not just a tourist attraction, but a living memory, a place to find joy, harmony, and unforgettable experiences.